I had a couple of requests on how I do my eyes makeup because my patients have seen me without makeup when I do deliveries in the middle of the night, and they see me during the day when I've had time to put on makeup. I look really different. So this is a tutorial. I'm not an expert in makeup, but this is just how I do my eyes to make them look bigger. And I don't want to do plastic surgery. Some Asian women will have the crease put in here. Instead, what I do is I just have learned over the years to put dark on here, and some people may not like it, but this is just how I prefer to do my eye makeup. Morning, when I get ready, I'll usually, why don't we just put on the first stuff first, which the eyes take on the longest, and then at the end I'll put on my foundation and my blush. I've already put on a little bit of lip gloss. This is the Chanel lip gloss. It's Glossomer Moisturizing Lip Gloss, and it's in a very neutral shade, and so I've already put that on. And eye blending brush. This is just from our local grocery store. It's ELF eye blending brush, and it's really, really useful. It's enough of what I need, and that's what I will do to apply. And what you can do is you can get one of these really cheapy clips. I love these, and this just holds the hair out of the way. And so I just apply my eye makeup. How you know how far up to do it? I used to make mistakes and do them way up too high or not enough. Is I just kind of pretend that I have creases. So I'll take my eye and just, if you can see where my eyeball ends. That's about where I'm going to go up to. So if you push in and out, you kind of see where your eyeball bulges, and that's about where I'll end. Okay, here we go. I already tell how, because I'm shading in my hood, my eyes are magically getting bigger. As I age, I want to look the best I can in every age. I'm coming up to where I squish my eye down, and then that's where my eyeball ended. So we're going to go right up to there. And then I got Chanel, and it's Les for Ombres, which I'm not pronouncing correctly. And this is in the Tis Vendôme, and I love these colors. They're more of a smoky eye because I don't want something really glittery or shimmery, because shimmers on my eye will just make my hood look even bigger. I want the hood to recede, so I want dark. So I've used a lot of this, as you can tell. I always use this one and this one. The pink I just put on the outside right here, and then I kind of go a little ways in. See that? So it's not such a sharp line. My mom taught me this. It's not such a sharp line from my skin to the edge of that dark foundation. And then we'll do the same thing on this side. So pink, and then out to about there. So it's just on the outer 2/3 or outer 1/3. So that blended it really pretty. And then you take the darker color right here, or any color that you have that's dark, and it just kind of blend it in. See that? So it softens the whole entire brown that we used in the paint pot. I admire some of the Asian women on YouTube where they don't even have to put their hood in, but I think me painting my hood in makes my eyes look brighter. There you go. Okay, that already looks much better than before. The only weird thing is my mother said whenever I'm sleeping it looks like my eyes are still open, but that's okay. I look better when I have them on. Here we go. So then put that away, and then we'll go to the, well, I could actually keep this. This is Sex Kitten eyeliner, and I love this because if you look carefully at the tip, it just looks like a little cat head. It's so, so cute. Isn't that adorable? So Sex Kitten eyeliner. So we'll go ahead and take the cat head off. And how I do this is that I start from the inside and go out, and then I kind of just try to imagine how I want to look without my eyes like this. So I just open my eyes and I do them. So you just start, I'll stay up real close, from the inner, and then you just light. So I rest my pinky on my cheek, and then I want it to be about to here. This is the look I'm going for, which is my normal daytime look. You can make it more dramatic if you are going out. So I want to kind of make it look like I got some eyelashes out there. And then I just fill it in like this. So that's one eye. Next eye. Same thing, fill it all the way in to the lash line, and then just be brave and just pretend how you want your eye to look. So I'm going to take it up already up to here. And you can even make a few little out to the side like that. It'll make it look like you have long eyelashes. There you go. Okay. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to there you go. So next thing you're going to do is take your paint pot again. I'm going to fill that in. And fill that in. And what I do is I do a test. So I look at myself like that, and I see, do I look normal? Like sometimes one will be bigger than the other. So I never look like that and even it up, because somehow that never works. I never do that and then I'm off for the day. What I'll do is I'll get in the car and I'll look in the rearview mirror and I'll see if my eyes are equal. So as you could tell, this one probably needs just a little bit up here and then out to the side. And as you can tell, some of my eyeliner kind of leaked onto there because I was in a hurry and I didn't want to wait for it to dry. It's okay. I just blended it right in. You don't have to start all over. There you go. So that's the eyes. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put on, this is Jet Black Beauty Pie Mascara. And it's Uber Volume Boost Mascara. Okay, I'll put that on. Yeah, put that on. And we're not done yet. The last part, and I've learned not to shove the brush up and down, up and down. You just go in and twist it. I forgot the reason, but I learned it from somebody. And I'll just go on the ends. Don't go back over everything, just go on the ends, and that will start lengthening the mascara that you already put on. Before we do the bottom, I always put, this is from Palladio, and this is a really pretty blue sparkle. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how that looks. I put it right on the bottom. And then, this is called Milani Shadow Eyes. And I got this idea from HeyyJune on YouTube. I'll link her YouTube channel below. But you put this right over that blue. There you go. You can put more on if you want, but that's just enough. To make your eyes look bigger, you want to put more on the inner. That kind of makes your eyes brighten. Alright, then take your mascara again, and you just put on the bottom lids. And if you smudge it a little bit, it's okay. You could just get a cotton ball and put that on. Next thing you want to do is you just get foundation. This is Beauty Counter. It's a very, very good foundation and company. They don't use any chemicals for their products. And this is called Tint Skin and Sand. So I just get a little bit, I dab, 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 dab. Dab, 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 dab. And of course on my neck, because you don't want your face and your neck to look a different shade. And then just blend it all in. This is a blending brush from Beauty Counter as well. And now you can tell that my freckles are still there, but they're not as apparent, and then my skin tone in general is more even. Then next is blush, and so I use Chanel. It's a compact, and this is Jules Contrast, and it's in Love. That's the color. That's how it looks. There you have it. So hopefully that was useful, and then always remember to take out your hair clip, and then you're ready for the day.